Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we have decided to provide you some recorded videos of some chapters in mathematics. We have initiated classes for third term, and for the third term, you told you need to study volume, percentages, Pythagoras theorem, uh, translations. Now we have started percentages, and I have explained you all the theoretical parts, and only the questions are remaining. But during this Ramadan, due to time difference and some other things, we are unable to plan. Hopefully, we will release our live classes on 28th of April. It falls on Friday. Friday. I will schedule an interval. I have to follow that after Ramadan. Okay. Now we will study volume. Volume. I think it is the. Let me share the screen. Yeah. It's the 18th chapter of your 18, chapter number 18, volume. Before I teach you volume, let me explain something that we have studied before. We have studied area. 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 And this area and volume are supposed to be applied for objects. We have 3D objects and 2D objects. 3D and 2D objects. For 2D objects, we can find area, but we can't find volume for 2D objects. But for 3D objects, we can find area and volume. So what is volume? Volume is an amount of space. It's an amount of space that an object fills. So this is the basic definition for volume. For example, if you take a 1 liter water, if you take 1 liter water, 1 liter, you can pour 1 liter of any liquid. It may be water, it may be soda, it may be anything. So you can pour 1 liter of any liquid. So this is for volume. So normally we use liter, milliliter, and series for volume. However, we give centimeter cube, liter cube, as well as millimeter cube. So these units also can be used for volume. So finding a volume, so we start with mathematics. So we will deal with equation. So we will give equation for finding the volume. Right. So the typical equation that we are going to use here is V is equal to A into L. So A is area of cross section. Right? L is equal to length. For example, if you take a cylinder, so let me just keep the diagram of cylinder. Cylinder, right? It's a cylinder. So here we have circle and right, like this. Using a rectangle into circle, we can create a cylinder. So here we need to identify A, area of cross section. So this is cross section. If you consider cylinder to this axis, this circular face is called cross section. So area of cross section is here. Here is 1, the area of circle, and length is this length. So here this is A, this is L. For example, if you take a prism, this is prism. Here, this prism has 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces. So here the cross section is triangular. Right? So this is A and this is L. Okay. So V is equal to A into. If you take Q1, this is for Q1. So here what is cross section? So you can take this as cross section or this as cross section. So let me take it as cross section A and this is its length L. So A into L. So here B is equal. So here B is equal to A into L. Now I'm going to take this side as A and this side is B. Okay. So for this A, I can substitute A is equal to A cross B. So for this A, I'm going to substitute this AB. So A into B into L. So this is what they have mentioned in your book. Let me share the screen. Right. So here you can see, right? Here, right, volume of a cuboid. What is cuboid? Cuboid is a this is for cuboid. So it is a 3D object which has six triangular faces. So here we have six triangular faces. At the back there is the face and this side, front, upwards and down. So here we have six triangular faces. And each faces are perpendicular to each other. So here we have right angle. Everything is right angle. So that is for cuboid. So for cuboid, for finding the volume of cuboid is V is equal to length into width into height. So this is length, this is width, and this is height. Okay, okay. This is height. Oh, what are the one? This is height, this is width, and this is length. Okay. So you might have three sides. So you are going to multiply all three sides for finding the volume of cuboid. Okay. So now we will move to the questions. Exercise 18A. Exercise 18A. Find the volume of a cuboid of length 10 centimeter, width 66 millimeter, and height 7 centimeter. So here you have to be very careful about the units. Four units the four units of each parameter will be same. There is a cuboid and length is equal to L is equal to 10 centimeter and W is equal to 66 millimeter and height is equal to 7 centimeter. Now, first, before we find the volume, we need to check whether all units are same. Here centimeter okay, centimeter okay, but it's in millimeter. So you have to convert this millimeter to centimeter. Otherwise, you have to convert this centimeter to millimeter. The work is double. So we have to reduce our work as much as possible in our examination. Then only we can save the time. So here we are going to convert this 60 millimeter into centimeter. Not only 10 millimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. Okay. So 56 millimeter is equal to what? 6.6 millimeter. We need to divide by 10 in order to convert millimeter to centimeter. So 66 millimeter is equal to 6.6 millicentimeter. Right. Now we have to apply the equation. B is equal to L into W into A. So L is equal to 10 centimeter, W is equal to 6.63 centimeter, into height is equal to 7 centimeter. And if you multiply 66 into 7, 56 into 7 is equal to 462 centimeter. Here, I already told you, we can use centimeter cube, millimeter cube, and meter cube for volume. So this is how we decide. Here, centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. And if we take each and every centimeter, we will multiply 4. So x okay into x is equal to what? X square. X into x is equal to what? X cube. So here centimeter into centimeter into centimeter is equal to centimeter cube. Okay. So we have done the first question, and you can try the rest of the questions in the book. Okay. Right. Let me explain you this question. Fourth question. Find the volume of a cuboid of length 6.2 centimeter with 3.4 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. Here you don't need to convert the unit. You don't need to perform unit conversion. So everything is given in centimeter. So you have just to multiply 6.2 into 3.4 and in 5. That's it. Again coming to the this question, right? So here, this is also nothing. This is also nothing. Find the volume of the following cuboids, changing the units first. If necessary, do not draw the diagram. So for this question also, we didn't sketch any diagram. But if you want, you might have drawn the diagram like this. And you want for example, we can millimeter, centimeter. So these like things you might have drawn that one. So normally we approach questions in mathematics after drawing the diagram. Then only we can have an idea. Right. However, they have told not to draw a diagram. So we have to directly find the answer. So first question, fifth one, 3.2 centimeter, 5 millimeter, 10 millimeter. So two units are given in millimeter. So you have to convert this 3.2 into millimeter. So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So 3.2 centimeter is 32 millimeters. 32 into 5 into 10 millimeter cube. So likewise, you can do all the questions. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Right. Now, moving to this part. To this part. So here, volumes of solid with uniform cross section. Right. So volumes of solids. We are going to find the volumes of these kind of solids which has uniform cross section. Uniform cross section. So here, for example, if you take this figure. Okay. So these two triangles are similar. They are similar. That means if you slice this prism, so you will end up with identical pieces of triangles. So if you slice this, okay, let's take a bread. Okay. So if you take bread like this, the bread. So if you slice this bread, so you will end up with identical pieces of bread. Like if you cut this prism, you will end up with identical triangle. So that's what is mentioned with the term uniform cross section. So you can see the objects given here. Prism, this is also, and this is also. So these are called uniform cross section. Solids with uniform cross section. Right. Now we will do the exercise 18B. Okay. Now I already explained you what is the equation for finding the volume of this. That is V is equal to A into L. So far we have calculated the volume for Q ball. So for Q balls, instead of this A, we put A into B or L into with into um, okay, whatever. Whatever. So instead of this A, we put A cross B for Q ball. Now we are going to find the volume from solid with uniform cross section. So find the volume of the solid with object when you're given an object. Okay. So if you look at this object, so this is the cross section. Okay. If you slice this object through this axis, you will end up with identical piece like this. You will end up with very identical piece like this. Okay. So this is called cross section. Cross section. So if you take a cross section, it is like this, like a T, like a T. Now let's look at the measurement of the T. So this is 5 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. Okay. Yes. And the length is what? The length is 7 centimeter. Now, B is equal to A into L. So, L, B directly known L. But we need to calculate the cross area of the cross section first. So, let me find the area of cross section. A is equal to I can divide this T to this section. So, this T is composed of two rectangles. So, the rectangle one is this and the rectangle two is this. So, let me take a rectangle one, R1. And this is R2. So, area of the compound rectangle is for the figure is area of R1 plus area of R2. Okay? Right. Now, R1 plus R2. Right. R1 is equal to what? So, A is equal to A into B. So, here, A is 2 into B is 5. So, 2 into 5 plus R2 is equal to 3 into 2. This is width and this is whatever. Okay. This is length and this is width. So, 3 into 2. So, here, and everything is given in centimeter. So, finally, it is put centimeter. 2 into 10, 5 into 10 plus 3 into 2, 6 centimeter. So that is 16 centimeter. So this is centimeters. Yeah, I mean, you end up with centimeter. You will be very clear. Centimeter. Yeah, centimeter. Yeah. Okay. That is area of cross section. So here 50 centimeters. Yeah, into 7 centimeter. How to make 16 into 17? Sorry, 16 into 7 is equal to 112. Again, centimeter square into centimeter. X square into x is equal to x cube. Likewise, centimeter cube. This is how we find the volume of these kind of objects. Okay, right. And below you have a lot of questions. You can try them. I will explain you some of them. Okay, let's look at the fifth question. It looks like a critical power. Now we are going to find volume of that house. That's not possible. What is the shape of something? Now, this is the object. Okay. This is 12 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeter. And height to the apex is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. That means, okay. So this is the cross section. This is the cross section of this object. So if we consider uh, cross section, this is 8 and this is 15. Okay, I'm going to divide this as a rectangle and a triangle. So it is 8 centimeter. If the entire length is 15 and this is 8. So from 15, if I subtract 8, I get 7. Here, this is 7 centimeter. Okay. And this is 9 centimeter. If this is 9 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter. According to the characteristic of rectangle. This is also 8 centimeter. So I know B is equal to A cross L. Before that, we need to find A. So A is equal to this, let's see, this is triangle and this is rectangle. A is equal to T plus R. T means area of triangle and R means area of rectangle. So triangle. You know how to find the area of triangle? Half into base into rectangle perpendicular. Let's say H. A into H, whatever. So half into this is base. So 9 into 7 centimeter square plus rectangle directly 8 into 9. 8 into 9 centimeter square. And if you well, now here on the simplification. So half into 9 into 7. So 9 into 7, 63. 63 by 2, 63 by 2 centimeters here plus 8 into 9, 72 centimeters here. So this is for 3, 1.5 plus 72 is equal to I think minus 3.5. 103.5 centimeter. Yeah. Now we need to apply this here. We need to substitute a 103.5 centimeters here into L is given as 12 centimeter. So if you multiply it, your answer will be making the calculator, but you are not alone. So 103.5 into 12 is equal. The answer will be 1242. 1242 centimeter cube. Okay. You can just simplify by your form. Right. We have done that question, and you can try the sixth question also. The only difference is uh, that is another house, it's like another house, right? So here the length is 12 centimeter, but instead of 12, here we have to put 2. And the cross section also may vary according to the data given. Okay. Again, we can, I think, yes, fourth question is also same. There is nothing. It's a prism. So 18 is the length. Here, 18 is the length. So here, the cross-sectional area is half into 10 into 8. Okay. So 40 into 18 centimeter square, centimeter cube. That is the volume. And here I will explain you this question, eighth question. The following two solids are standing on their ends. So the vertical measurement is the length. So here, length is what? Vertical measurement. And if you look upward, the L shape is cross-sectional area. So L shape is cross-sectional area. So here, if I am just rotating the figure, I'm just rotating the figure so that I can directly see the object through this direction. So I see only L. So this is 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter. Now see here. If this is 6, if this is 6, this is also 6. If this is 8, this is also 8.